There should be a level of charity which is required now at this what is world going through. There's a shift in everyone's life now. So there's a lot of charity which is required. We need to have an abundant mindset. Growing your heart. Whom are you helping? Whom are you already giving? Today's session, let's learn it together. Growing your heart. Welcome you all. I am Leena, a mentor, coach, powerful, passionate woman empowerment leader. You know, two qualities, kindness and compassion, are the most important quality now which the world needs. Whom are you giving and whom are we helping is the two questions we need to ask. If we are not giving to anybody or if we are not helping anyone when the world needs us most, let me tell you, we become a standing water. Now, what is a standing water? Standing water attracts insects. Standing water attracts a thin layer on the top known as algae. Standing water attracts diseases. Now, what is good? A standing water or a river which is flowing? There is an incoming, there is an outgoing. It is not stagnant. Exactly, that is what we need in our life. There shouldn't be anything stagnant in our life. Neither in our thoughts nor in the money flow. If we keep that money stagnant, if we can't help with the money, we can help with whichever way. The act of kindness. Maybe you are just giving away love. Maybe you are just giving away your learnings. Some kind of charity which we are doing in a society, which we are doing in some kind of groups which you are part of. There should be a level of charity which is required now at this what is world going through. There's a shift in everyone's life now. So there's a lot of charity which is required. We need to have an abundant mindset. There are few people who think like if I give it away, then who will take care of me tomorrow? We need to come out of ourselves. We are not orphans. And leave it to the universe. We are His child. And He will never leave us. I keep telling myself that you are taking care of me. I know that. I am not an orphan and you are taking care of me. We need to have an abundant mindset, not a scarcity mindset. Let it go. Sometimes there are people who clutter their home. They don't want to give it away. Like, if I don't get tomorrow, then that kind of thought comes up. Let it go. Don't clutter your house. Don't clutter your thoughts. If there is so much knowledge, so much wisdom, let it go. There should be a flow happening, an incoming and an outgoing. If we are learning something, please teach others. That's an act of charity. That's an act of kindness. There is so many people keep asking me, so much you are giving away. I said, yes, I want to be called as like, Leena, you are giving away. There is no other person like Leena who can give like this. I'll be so happy. It's okay, sometimes you're taken up for granted. But this is the time to give away. You know, the universe is also noticing us. God is noticing us who are His child. Who are the people who is serving Him by serving His people. When we take care of His people, He will take care of us. Wait and watch. You will see when you start helping others, when you start giving it to others, you will see automatically things started happening in your life. And then we will feel like, oh, I'm so lucky. You're not lucky. It's just that you have become the child of God. He's seeing who is my child. And His child will be serving His people. Let's become the child of God today. Any kind of charity, any kind of kindness, the love which we can spread across, the wisdom which you can spread across, people who can help with money, whichever way is possible. My homemaker was leaving yesterday for Eid. The least I could do is something, some cash for her Eid celebration. And not just money, I just came down with her, made sure that she gets a auto, she gets safely, she reaches the place where she want to go. An act of some kind of help which we can do to the person who is in need. It becomes so fulfilling. And you start getting your credit points from Him. Because then you can claim, I am the child of yours because I'm taking care of your people. Let's start growing your heart. We need to grow our heart in this time. Do meditation. During your meditation, visualize your heart is growing. Forgive people. Don't keep any clutter in your thoughts about anybody. Let it go. And that's a kind of charity. That's a kind of kindness, compassion, where any kind of ill feelings which you have about people, don't keep it in your thought. Just let it go. There should be an incoming, there should be an outgoing. Whether it's a thought, whether it's a money, whether it's a wisdom, knowledge, it has to go. If you're taking up, let it go. Grow your heart. And let's start reaching out to people more and more. Let's start helping people more and more. Thank you so much for being part of my life. Love you so much.